Hello friends, in this video let's quickly talk about lambda functions in Python. So what is lambda functions? Lambda functions, we can also call it as inline functions. If you have a one-liner actions, then better to go for a lambda functions. So in the previous videos we talked about detailed examples on functions, recursive functions and all. In this video I'll quickly talk about inline functions or lambda functions in Python. There are some scenarios where you may need to write for a function which contains a single line. So that time better to go for a lambda function. So let's quickly go to the Python IDE and see how to write a lambda functions. So let's quickly go to the new file. Save this. So let's see now. So here if you really understand, so we normally write a function like this, def like a func, assume it. Okay, so we might be keeping like this, so return or something like that. From function, that's it. So we will be returning, that's it. It's a very basic function which I'm planning to talk about. So let's declaration is done, then let's talk about invoking. Now print of this one, whatever the function which I defined. Let's quickly take this. So this is a general one. Let's save this and run this. Now you got the value here. So this is a normal function, this is not a lambda function. Then how to define a lambda function for the same scenario? So here what to do is, so I'll be using more or less the same thing. So let's define the same value here, but let me take a different one. So why? Because so the function is already defined, declared with that name. That is the reason why I'm making as a function 1 equal to lambda here. So whatever the statement which I am giving, same thing I am going to keep here. Same thing I am going to keep here. So if you really understand, so here I wrote 2 lines, but here I am writing only 1 line code here. So my function declaration is done. Then how to call this? Let's use the same way from lambda function to differentiate, because I will be getting the 2 outputs. So the function name is this. See, when I say function, so that should compulsory contains open and closed parentheses. If you have any arguments to pass, then you can pass it. Now let's run this. Yeah, now we have 2 outputs. One is the first from the function, second one is from lambda function. So this is how we quickly declare and invoke the lambda functions in Python. So if you like this, if you have a similar let us say, if you have a similar stuff, I can also do like this. So now like a sum of sum equal to lambda a comma b colon, let me call it as a print of some a plus b. That's it. So now let's call this print of, not print not required because anyway printing it, invoke it, sum of 2 comma 3. Let's try this, run this. Yes, you have 5. See here, to do the same activity by using normal functions, you may need to write 3 or 4 lines of code. By using lambda, you can quickly calculate the sum of the 2 numbers. So for easy scenarios, when you have a easy thing, so then you can go for a lambda function. So like how you identified a sum, or how to display single line of statement. So in this scenario, lambda is really suitable for us. So that's all about lambda functions. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe and like and provide a valuable feedback to the videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.